I wanted to do a lounge which is closed by fabric walls, so that it would be like a special quiet place in the entrance fair, which is usually a huge place which looks like a rail station. I think that it needs to be close to be a part of the rest of the things that are in the entrance part. This could be the French room, because all the objects over there are produced with French companies, which are Ligne Rosé for the bed and the sofa, and Moustache for the lamps. It's a sofa which doesn't look really comfortable with, but is hyper comfortable because Ligne Rosé has a hard and strong knowledge for upholstering. So it's a lot of technique in it to make it look simple and light and still comfortable. And you have the same comfort of the back of the bed, so you can also sit in your bed and read with a lot of comfort. To put your pillow against it and or watch a DVD or work in the bed. This is a totally Swedish corner with tables and chairs that I designed for wooden furniture maker Gjersnäs, which comes from south of Sweden. So the chair is entirely built in Sweden, with some parts from Denmark, or the bending part. And it's really light chair, and it's been a lot of work on it. And there are three colors: black, natural, and red. Red is a new color of this year because it's a project for last year. And the lamp is the new system for pendant lamps that I did with the Swedish company Vestberg. And it's a system that allows you to build pendant lamps that can be a single one, or 2 in lines, 3 in lines, or more and more in lines. Also some polygons shapes, like in fact almost like round, and that you can see in the other parts. And on the table are 2 objects that I did for the Swedish historical company called Svenskt which is a company which was founded during the 20s by Estrid Eriksson, and it's really great to work with this company which has so many wonderful objects so it's a picture and a glass made in pewter and brass together, a mix of those metals, and it's meant to be on your bedside to have some water at night or on your desk. I wanted to create different levels to make as if there would be some different rooms, because if not it would be too flat and too boring. On these stairs there are some sofas that I did for a Norwegian company called Gjelle, and it's a sofa which is really comfortable, and you can wrap yourself in the cushions. It's really good for resting. The big pleated lamp is the first object that was produced from my design. The big one is produced by Italian Capellini, and you can see here the single pendant lamp for Vestberg. Over there it's a mix of different things. The second object that have been produced from my design is these brush containers produced by Italian company Edra. The shelves are made by Swedish company David Design, as well as the small bedside tables. Again, a Gjelle Norwegian sofa. The Vestberg system, but in a polygon shape. Here you have it in line with 3 shades. And all over the shades you can also see the moustache lamps, like the vapor lamp. And the pink lamp over there is the first lamp that I did for Vestberg, for this range. And it has a clamp that you can clamp it on a shelf or on the position that you want. And that is almost the same that we see before, with the hanging lamp suspension that I did for Italian company Luceplan, which is a lamp that you can extend from 60 centimeters long to 1.60 m, so that if you invite people to have dinner, sometimes you enlarge your table And so you can enlarge also your lamp over so that everybody has some light. You can also use it for offices when you join many tables to do some reunions so that everybody has some light.
Mis on sinu jaoks pehmemööbli disainimisel kõige tähtsam?
To me, it has to look good and it has to be comfortable. It's really expensive to buy a sofa. In your life, you can buy maybe a house, a car, then a sofa. So it's a big investment. So of course it has to be comfortable, but of course the shape has to be as beautiful as possible. I mean, you cannot choose between form and function. You have to make them.
Kui pikk oli selle tooli loomise protsess?
It's a long process, but I wanted just to have a simple chair that could fit in any kind of interiors, oldish or newish, and just there I tried to give some rhythm to the different pieces that make a chair by some cuts that are some technical cuts and also some comfort cuts to make some flats in the back and also for the assembly. And it's the same on the table. There is I think the nice assembly that you can see it. Here, this is a nice detail that I like a lot, and I was quite happy about it to find it because, in fact, I don't know anything about wood. Every time I have to learn techniques every time I meet a new company. So I was happy to be able to find this thing that is also here, and that gives something, I think, to the chair.
Kuhu sina neid riiuleid soovitaksid?
Those shelves are really not to use towards the wall, but as a room divider. Here you can see that it could be like you could divide your living room between the place where you maybe watch television or read and the place where you eat. So as yourself are not on the same level on each side, you can put some object on one side that you don't put on the other.
Kuhu siinseid edrariiuleid soovitad?
I recommend to use it if you really like it because it has a strong presence. So you can put it in your bedroom. You can put it in. Also, it can be also a room divider. And in fact, I don't recommend things. It's you like it or you don't.